Are we too close to you, boys?
No.
Cheers, mate. Oh, sweet. Got to get them back out now, mate.
Done well to hang on him that long without getting the ball.
Yeah,
I know.
doing well.
He's going to put the hurt on me soon.
Look at our cat.
Not liking it, eh?
Get that arm cranking, Roxburgh. Use your wanking arm.
Too buggered from this morning, mate.
Shouldn't have had that crank this morning, Rox.
Get up, boy. Yeah, it's another kingy, man.
He's coming back down, surely. Oh, fuck.
There he is. Eh?
Oh.
Stonker, yeah. What a massive friend.
What he's going to do, boys. He's his mate.
He's got his big mate, man.
Oh, he's massive.
Oh, my bait's right at you.
Oh, it's a shark chasing him, I think.
No, wait, move,
Oh, it's another one.
Do you want me to get him? One's hit it. Yeah, come on.
You on?
Are you on?
I'm on. Yeah, I'm on.
Oh, fuck. I don't want to gaff him now.
Are you gonna free him or?
I don't know, I don't want to gaff him, mate.
I'm freeing this one.
Yeah, I'm going to free
Do you want to keep that one? Let's get yours out there.
Yep.
Those 3.
Tell me when he's getting close.
Oh yeah, he's not far away.
Show us that, Scotty. Show us.
Get the sun onto it. Go the other way, do it. Oh, there we go! To go from the front where it's the sun's facing the fish. And then, oh man, get Scotty get.
No, that's alright.
Oh man.
Oh, I wish we had like scales here so I could weigh it and chuck it back.
Just keep him.
Oh, the more I look at it, I can't do it, eh?
Are we gonna have to free this thing? Oh, I saw the boat. Thingy Bill. See if his mates around, Dill.
Yeah, hold on.
Look at that thing there. Watch out there, Dill. Just grab my shirt so I don't get hooked.
Look at that.
Yeah, boy!
Give us one, Petho. Two in a row.
Oh, he's screaming, man.
Do you reckon we'll get more bite?
I reckon yours isn't going to survive anyway, man. Even this is not.
I'm going to try it.
Just maybe watch out for a shark too. He wants to go. He's just a bit sideways.
He's fucked.
This one's fucked.
No, this one's going to be sweet in a sec. He's showing some more go.
Spewing.
There he goes.
Yee-hoo. Sweet.